Hello everybody, this video is for those of you who try other things that I described in my previous video to try to make the controller work and it doesn't. Let me show you one thing that is very common actually, and it happened to me where nothing else actually worked, but this one did. So if nothing else works for you, might be this problem, especially if you have the controller for quite some time. The connector, after you open the battery case, the connector might be either have corrosion, and even then sometimes the connector has some kind maybe it's just a bit worn out, and basically what I did was just scratching it a bit with trying to remove, and there was something there that wasn't like super smooth, and I felt it. So I took a towel first, and then I tried to kind of move around it a bit with a screwdriver, and then I put the battery in, and I kind of rotated it around just a bit, and suddenly the controller woke up. And this is after nothing else actually worked. Now, although I'm in a very dusty area right now, basically it doesn't matter because the battery compartment is closed, and dust really doesn't come in. Maybe just a bit of the edges, but basically, you think what happened is that when I hit several times, maybe the wall or the table, it happens quite a lot. It actually causes the connector there to kind of rub itself against the battery, and maybe something like that, especially if you do it strongly, it maybe cause some kind of issue there with the connector. And apparently it can be something very small that actually causes this, because after I just rubbed something against it and rotated the battery, it just worked, and that's it. And again, it didn't work. I tried many hours. I tried everything. I actually already ordered another left controller. Eventually, I canceled it because, again, nothing worked. But yeah, it worked. This is not actually the time it did happen. I'm just explaining it using this video. So try it out. Maybe it will work for you. Thanks for watching, everybody. Give a like, subscribe. And again, if it worked, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, everybody. Cheers.